If you want to see trending in Bluesky, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Bluesky does not have a built-in trending topics section yet. However, you can explore trending content using third-party tools or techniques. First, you could go back to your screen and use Skyfeed, right? Tools like Gray Sky or End Sky Feed offers additional features, including version of trending topics. These apps or websites are not directly part of Bluesky, but integrate with its ecosystem to provide enhanced content discovery, right? And you could just go ahead and click the feed builder, right? From here, you're gonna see the green button right here, and then just go ahead and add the feed name from here, right? And just go ahead and type the regex and what's the word that you want to highlight, okay? And then click a feed builder, right? And you're gonna just see right here feed preview, so you can see the basically the word that's highlighted with the high, right? And as you can see right here, you will see the posts on Bluesky, right? Another way of doing it, you can just go back to your screen and use the Bluesky, right? And use Bluesky hashtag searches, right? You can manually search popular hashtags in the platform's search bar to find trending discussions. You could just type right here the hashtag, right? And just type trending, right? For example, and then just see right here what's that latest thing that trending on Bluesky. Since Bluesky emphasizes decentralizations, hashtags are often key to exploring page, right? And you can use a custom feed. Users can subscribe or create custom feeds for specific topics or themes. You can go ahead to your search tool, right? You can see right here the feed by Sky feed right here, or the art feed by Bluesky art, and then just go ahead and pin home, and then you're gonna be able to see more of these content on your home page, right? Instead of discover, you're gonna just go ahead and stay on maybe science or art, and you're gonna be able to see all the posts in regards of arts or whatever content that you subscribe to. And these feeds can be tailored to show what's trending in a niche, such as specific hashtags or keywords. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.